see. Okay, wait for a while. Mana pergi. Where's my diagram? This one. Okay. Okay. Come here. Okay. So big. Okay. Okay. So I have a tangent A minus B. So A minus B, I use a sign at the bottom one. Okay, so I write it at the side here. Tangent I know why already. This one is not very good to write. Okay, so I try one more time. Okay, tangent A minus B, okay, is equals to tangent A minus A, the bottom one. So bottom one is minus tangent A minus tangent B, okay, over 1 bottom one plus tangent A tangent B. Okay, let me check. A minus B, bottom one, bottom is minus, bottom is plus. Okay, correct. Okay, so reciprocal of it, you just turn upside down this one. So now I have a 1 plus tangent A tangent B. Okay, divide by, if someone know how to work, ask that just now that window don't come out, let me know. It always come out when I write tangent A minus tangent B. Okay, then continue. So you see the right hand side, what I'm going to reach is cotangent. So means all this tangent, I got to change it become a reciprocal. Okay, what's the meaning? Okay, you see, if you say that cotangent A is equal to 1 over tangent A. This one you know, right? Okay, this one means that tangent A is equal to 1 over cotangent A. Okay, so all this tangent A, I'm going to change it become 1 over cotangent A. Tangent B, change it become 1 over cotangent B. Okay, for all. So only it will have the it will fulfill the right hand side one, because all is cotangent, no more tangent okay, so this is my next step. So okay, tangent A now is 1 over cotangent A. Tangent B is 1 over cotangent B. Okay, this one will be very complicated. Okay, again, tangent A 1 over okay, cotangent A minus tangent B is 1 over cotangent B. Okay, then okay, you see the denominator is just cotangent B minus cotangent A. Okay, I think got no choice. Okay, you all have to how to say plus 1 combine lah. Combine this one cannot have a 2 fraction. Okay, because here is 2 fraction but cannot have a fraction over fraction. You see here fraction over here, this one fraction. Okay, so I think I have to change it become a single fraction. Okay, let me try. Okay, if you feel this way is difficult there, then you have to work in another way. But I think the same thing. Okay, let me continue. Okay, okay, so this one I want to combine it. Okay, so cotangent A is the denominator, cotangent B is the denominator. So I want to make it the common denominator. So cotangent A have to times with cotangent B. Okay, this one times with cotangent B. Okay, then this one cotangent B have to times with cotangent A. So here times with cotangent A, here also times with cotangent A. Okay, so this is for the denominator. Okay, for the numerator, 1 plus. 1 plus all. Okay, the same thing lah. I want to make it the same denominator, cotangent A, cotangent B. Okay, so this one will be cotangent A, cotangent B. Okay, so 1 is cotangent A, cotangent B over cotangent A, cotangent B. This is 1. Okay, then plus 1. Okay, because this term is 1 over cotangent A, cotangent B. So I repeat, you see, the 1 here is cotangent A, cotangent B over cotangent A, cotangent B. Okay, then this term is 1 over cotangent A, cotangent B. Then the denominator the same, okay, share the common denominator. Then numerator will be cotangent A, cotangent B plus 1. Okay, now very near to your answer already. Okay, a fraction divided by a fraction, so you can write in this way. Okay, this is the numerator. I just copy. Okay, divide so if I write times, this one will be turned upside down. Okay, so cotangent A, cotangent B. Okay, cotangent B minus cotangent A. Okay, so here this one can cut. I think this is your answer already. Cotangent A, cotangent B plus 1 over tangent B minus cotangent A. Okay, so it's proven. Okay, this is the one on the right hand side. Okay, this is the one is on the right hand side. Right hand side. Okay, so proven. Okay, so this is for 1D. Okay, next we go to 1B. Okay, I take the question first. Okay, this is 1B. Cannot paste. One more time. Cannot paste, then I write lah. Okay, I still don't know how to use this actually. Next time you teach me, for those are very poor floor. Okay, pi over 4. Then 1 plus tangent A, and then 1 minus tangent A. Okay, this one I guess I will use the left hand side because you have the pi over 4. When you break it become using the addition formula, it we will see tangent pi over 4. Okay, tangent pi over 4 is what? Pi is pi is 180 degree. Okay, so pi over 4 is what? Ayo, I will call out my calculator, huh?
Tangent pi.
Vanessa, is it? I again cannot hear you one. 180 is pi. Okay, divide by 4. So 45, so tangent 45, okay, is 1. Then you'll make the whole thing simplify. Okay. So I will start from the left hand side. Okay, which is tangent a plus pi over 4. Okay, now I drag the formula just now. Cannot drag, huh? Never mind lah. So you see the textbook lah, huh? Okay, so minus or plus? Your textbook have this formula. Oh, I better don't see textbook though. I better show you this formula still, because this one is going to give you during the exam, not the textbook. Okay, so it's better for you to get use of this formula rather than the textbook formula. Okay, equals like tangent A plus plus. Okay, plus is the above one, so you choose the above sign. So it's a tangent A plus tangent B. Okay, B is here is pi over 4. Then 1 minus tangent A tangent pi over 4 for the B. Okay, next. Okay, tangent A, you just write back tangent A. Tangent pi over 4, just now we tried it, is 1. Okay, 1 minus tangent A times 1 is tangent A. Okay, you want to rearrange also can, because the right hand side is 1 plus tangent A. Tangent A plus 1, 1 plus tangent A is the same. So this is equal to right hand side. Okay, so proven. Okay, so this thing will be automatically appear in your content library. So anything to refer for today's lesson, you just look for it. Okay, so I will put down. Okay, any more question? Tangent 45, yeah, tangent 45 is 1. Okay, no more questions, I guess. Okay, so I will continue today. Okay, go back to the textbook. There, where do we stop? I remember one more example. Okay, so look at example 23, page 217. Okay, these questions. Rosanna here already. Sarah here already. Okay, both of them also here already. This is complicated. Okay, so I try to explain to you. Okay, we start lah. Okay, sine A is 3/5. Okay, A is in between 0 to 90, so which is the first quadrant. Okay, sine B, negative 12/13. Okay, sine B is at the 90 to 270. Okay, where is the 90 to 270? This is 90, this is 180, 270. Okay, so mean is either in second or the third quadrant. But you see sign is negative here. Okay, in second quadrant sign is positive. Okay, all science teacher crazy. Okay, so here is positive. Therefore, at the third quadrant, sign is negative. So this one, the B is at the third quadrant. This one you all have to analyze. Okay, before you start. Okay, if you are not able to analyze all this, then confirm you will get wrong one because of the sign. Okay, because you don't know in which quadrant the A and the B fall to you will not know if for cos for sine what sign positive or negative should you use. Okay, so we continue. Okay, the question say that find sine A plus B tangent B minus A. Okay, so we are going to use the addition formula. Okay, addition angle formula, sorry. Okay, so this one, before you start, you list out for the angle A, okay, what is the sine cos tangent? For the angle B, what is the sine cos tangent? Is easier. Okay, so you look at this diagram. Okay, so I repeat, sine is so. Okay, so opposite is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Okay, angle A is here. Okay, so this is opposite. This one is hypotenuse. This one is adjacent. So 3/5. O over H. Okay, fill out the third side. Okay, so this is using Pythagoras theorem. So 3, 4, 5 Pythagoras triple. Okay, so this is 4 here for adjacent. Okay, so you write out for cos A. Okay, cos is what? Car. A over H. So 4/5. 4/5. Because A fall in the first quadrant. So you see all the sign for sine, cos, tangent, all are positive. Okay, this one no problem. This one easy. Okay, now we go to tangent A. Tangent A, 2 O over A. Okay, so 3/4. 3/4. Get ready all this before you start. If not, you see burning all this. Okay, now we go to angle B. Actually, this one you don't want to draw in third quadrant also is okay. Okay, then after that, you have to know this one fall in third quadrant. Tangent is positive. Okay, the other two are negative. Just put in the sign. Okay, so I can just draw any triangle. Okay, then label here, let's say it's B. Okay, same thing, sine B is 12/13, means O over H. This one will be O, this one will be H, this one will be the A. O over H is 12/13, so here is 12, here is 13. Okay, same thing, we use the Pythagoras triple, so this is 5. 5, 12, 13. Okay, so adjacent is 5. Okay, now we go to cos B. Okay, cos B is A over H. Okay, so A over H, 5/13. Remember, this is in third quadrant, so it's negative. Okay, tangent, third quadrant positive. O over A, O over A, 12/5. So 12/5. Okay, so we have subtle. This one, you want to remember, the negative. For me, I feel this method is more difficult for me to remember, this is negative, this is negative, this is positive, like that. Okay, now we can do already. Sine A plus B, follow the double angle formula. Sine A, not that double angle, sorry, additions are angle formula. Okay, so sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Just fill out. Sine A is 3 over 5, fill out. Cos B is negative 3 over 13, fill out. Cos A is 4 over 5, sine B is negative 12 over 13. Just press calculator, you will give this answer. Okay. This one you don't have to show. Okay, just from here, just press calculator, then you can just write the answer. Easier. Okay, then for this, same thing, you use a formula, tangent B minus tangent A over 1 plus tangent B tangent A. Same thing, tangent B and tangent A put in. Okay, tangent B, tangent A, put in. Okay, you see this one, even you can straight away put 12 over 5. This one also same thing. Okay, after that, you get this already. This one, all this no need to show. Okay, just press calculator to give the final answer. This one do as homework. Okay, it's still using the sign, the A and the B here. Okay, so you try this. Okay, remember cosecant as reciprocal. 1 over sine A plus B. Okay, so sine A plus B you have here already. So 1 over actually just terbalik this thing. Okay, make use whatever you have here. Okay, so this one I can say I settle for you already. Second is 1 over cos A plus B. Okay, sorry, this is minus. Sorry, you got to follow minus. Where did I go? Where did I go? Okay, this is A minus B. Okay, so but here don't have law. Here you only have here you only have a sine A plus B and tangent B minus A. So you don't have cos A minus B. This one you have to do. Okay, it's either you do cos A minus B, after that you upside down it, or you one shot do it here. Okay. Next, cotangent is 1 over tangent B minus A. You have it here. Okay, so this one turn upside down only. Okay, so A and C you don't want to do, it's okay. Okay, as long as you understand. Okay, you just do this one, the B. Okay, so that day you didn't do number 3, okay, so for today you do number 3. Today is what? 10. Wait for a while. Hello, Pak Siti. I got class now.
Istimewa mendengarkan dengan saya apa nama pendidikan yang tidak ditambahkan internet ni tak ada dalam tu so boleh reset
Siapa yang hantar itu?
itu susah
Ini hantar. Tapi apa tu Pak Siti kalau nak urgent tolong minta dengan dia, sekarang saya ada kelas. Dia ada separate file. Dia ada separate file. Kalau tak jadi nanti lepas kelas, then you telegram saya. Boleh. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, sorry. Come back. So, what happened today? Okay, this one we settle. This one we settle. So now we come to this double angle formula. Okay, double angle formula, you see, actually it's come from the addition angle formula. Okay, so addition formula can be used to derive double angle formula, you see. Okay, so they give one example. Okay, sine A plus B is this. Okay, now you replace the B with the A, so become A plus A. So all this B you replace with the A also. So it will become sine A cos A, sine A cos A, double it 2 times. So it's become 2 sine A cos A. Okay, so this is if the question asks you, to derive the double angle formula, this is the method. Okay, so remember the double angle formula always it come from the addition formula. Okay, so now we go to a cos okay, cos 2a. Okay, we start with this. Okay, cos a plus b is this. Okay, then same thing. We just substitute, the b with the a. So it will become a plus a. Okay, so all this b you replace with the a. This b you replace with the a. So it will become cos means cos times cos. So cos square a. Sin a times sin a, so means sin square a. Okay, so now cos 2a becomes sin square a minus cos square a minus sin square a. Okay, so this is the first formula for cos 2a. You can still derive. Okay, so cos 2a altogether got 3 formula. Okay, so we continue. Okay, what's the meaning? You see here, this one, okay, cos 2a it remain. It replace the sine 2, cos 2a plus cos square a it remain. Okay, it replace the sine square a with this. Okay, it come from where this one? It come from the basic identity. Okay, basic identity we have a sine square a plus cos square a equals 1. Therefore, I want to replace the sine square a. This one move to this side. So it's 1 minus cos square a. Okay, you see, replace the sine square a become 1 minus cos square a. Come from the basic identity. Okay, so expand it. This one minus 1. This one become plus. Okay, so this cos square a plus another cos square a. So you end up with 2 cos square a. Then minus 1. Okay, so this is the second formula for cos 2a. Okay, this is the first formula. This is the second formula. Okay, now we come to the third formula. Third formula, it keep this one. Okay, it remain this one. It change cos square a in the term of the sine square a. Same thing using the basic identity. Okay, so now you see, I want the cos square a. I don't want the sine square a. So I move to the other side, become 1 minus sine square a. So I'm going to replace the cos square a here with the 1 minus sine square a. 1 minus sine square a. Okay, so 1 minus sine square a minus sine square a become 1 minus 2 sine square a, because this one and this one, okay, double out. Okay, so 2. Okay, so I have the third formula for cos 2a. So remember, for cos 2a got 3 formula. Okay, next we go to the tangent 2a. All this I have to go through with you. Sorry. Okay, so we start with the addition formula. Okay, a plus b. Same thing, the b here we replace with the a. Okay, so a plus a is 2a here. Okay, tangent a plus tangent a is 2 tangent a. Tangent a times tangent a is tangent square a. So this is the formula for tangent 2a. Okay, so I have done with the double angle formula. Okay, how to derive it. Okay, so we look at the formula list. Okay, you see or not, your double angle formula all are here. Okay, for cos 2a, the 3 formula all are here. Okay, so don't worry, you don't have to memorize it. It just we scared, the question asks you to derive. Okay, you must know how to derive it. Okay, so we come back to the example. Okay, look at example 24. Okay, first of all, you have to find the value of each of following expression using the double angle formula. Okay, after that you verify your answer by using a calculator. Okay, after that I will teach you how to verify. Okay, first of all, you have to use your double angle formula. Okay, let me go to the formula. Okay, sine 2 sine A cos A. You make the 15 here be the A. So it's 2 sine A cos A. You see? 2 sine A cos A. So it's equal to sine 2A. Therefore, it's equal to sine 2 times 15. Okay? So for this case, you make the A is the 15. Okay? So 2 times 15 is the 30. Okay? So sine 30, okay, is 1 over 2. This one is spatial angle. Okay? So now how to verify by using calculator? Okay, you just type lor. Okay, 2 times sine 15 times I don't know. Better put bracket lor. Okay, cos 15 cos 15. Okay, equal. Okay, so you see, same answer. Okay, so this is how we say that now you use calculator to verify. Okay, okay, so I continue. Okay, how about the second one? Okay, so you let this 25.5 22.5 be the A. Okay, let us see the formula. Okay, sine square A minus cos square A minus sine square A. Cos square A minus sine square A is cos 2A. Okay, so make it become cos 2A. A is 22.5. So 2 times 22.5 is 45. Okay, cos 45 spatial angle. Okay, square root 2 over 2. Okay, then you can check with your calculator. Okay, look at C. Okay, this one you can make the 75 be the A. Okay, so let us see the formula. So 2 tangent A, 1 minus tangent square A. 2 tangent A here, okay, 1 minus tangent square A. So it's equal to tangent 2A. So it's equal to tangent 2 times 75. So it's tangent 150. Okay, this one also is a spatial angle, but this one difficult a little bit because this is more than 90 degree. Okay, this one fall in the which quadrant? 90 or 80. This one in the second quadrant. Therefore, tangent is negative. Okay, and then this one will be same as the one in the first quadrant. So you got to find how to say? You got to find the corresponding angle that fall in the first quadrant by using 180 minus. Okay, so this one is equal to negative tangent 180 minus. Okay, therefore is negative tangent 30. Okay, so tangent 30 is 1 over square root 3. Okay, then remember your negative. Okay, because it is in second quadrant, tangent is negative. Okay, so this is example 24. Okay, now we are going to prove. Always you see how Trigo a lot of proof one. Okay, prove the identity. Okay, so then example 25. Okay, look at A first. Cosecant 2A. Okay, now they come to all the reciprocal come and kacau already. Okay, so you have a second A and then cosecant A. Okay, see how they prove. Okay, they say that they start from the left hand side. Okay, so cosecant 2A, they change it become a reciprocal of a sine. So 1 over sine 2A. Okay, then 1 over sine 2A. Sine 2A is a 2 sine A cos A. This one use a double angle formula. Okay, so now compare this with this. You see, the 1 over 2 I can see already. 1 over 2. Okay, so this one, it break it become 1 over 2 and 1 over sine A and 1 over cos A. In between is times. Okay, then sine A, 1 over sine A is cosecant. 1 over cos A is second A. This is how we get the answer on the right hand side. Okay, so this is for question A. Now we're going to go to question B. Question B then, here you can see the double angle. Okay, here look like no, I don't know what to do yet. So I think better start from the right hand side. Okay, we start from right hand side. Okay, so start from right hand side leh. Don't know what to do also still. It's either if you want to use a double angle formula but the problem for cos 2a or cos 2 theta here, you have a 3 formula leh. You got to pandai you have to know which one should you choose eh. Which one should I choose? Yeah. Okay, you see, got 1, 2, 3, 3 formula. Which one I should choose eh? How they decide they going to choose this one? Oh, I know already. It's because here is cos theta and sin theta. It involves both of these. So it try to use the first one. Okay, because the first one involves cos and sin. The second one is only cos. The third one is only sin. So because the denominator have a sin, have cos, so you try to involve both. Try and see. But jadi then you got to change to another one and try. Okay, so sine 2 theta, use the double angle formula, the first one, so become cos square theta minus sine square theta. Okay, then we come to this line already. Okay, then you see how to make it become cos theta minus sine theta. Try and see. Okay, make the conjugate. But actually, tipu one, you can see, you want to have this thing, then you time this thing, okay? You time this thing to the denominator, okay? You have to time this thing to the numerator, okay? Temporary, we try this way. Oh, this question is not easy, okay? So, how we continue, okay, you see, this time this is what you're going to get. So cos times cos is cos square theta. Sine times sine is sine square theta. Okay, then this time this is positive, this time this is negative, therefore cancel off. Okay, so the denominator become cos square theta minus sine square theta. Okay, the numerator nothing. Don't go in times. Okay, because this one is one of the factor of at the numerator. Then you can cancel. This is how you get the sine cos theta minus sine theta, which is on your left hand side. Okay, sometimes you have to pandai, okay, don't care lah, because this one is on your left hand side, so you just time this thing. Okay, but here they say actually they got reason one lah. Okay, they times with the conjugate also correct lah, because the conjugate a plus b the conjugate is a minus b so times with the conjugate lor. Okay, so this is how you get the answer. Okay, we're going to go to next one. Next one even more difficult. Okay, it comes from the double angle formula. Let me see. Multiply by a conjugate equal. Convert to a basic trigo ratio. Convert to basic trigo ratio. Okay, if you remember that day we say the proof we got 3 tips. One of the tips, you look at page 213. These tips. Okay, remember these 3 tips for proof. You see, one of it, multiply by a conjugate. Like just now, that one is multiply with the conjugate. Okay, by multiplying or conjugate, you hope that the denominator and the numerator can cut off. Okay, then we will reach the answer. Okay, so this is one of the method when you do proof questions. Okay, now I come back to continue. This is why they say trigo so difficult okay, when you involve a lot of formula, basic identity addition formula okay, double angle formula then after that you have a half angle formula very burning. Okay, This one got mistake, your book. This one got no plus minus, got no square root. Change your book. Okay, this one you have to copy. This one you have to copy because it's not in the formula list. Okay, this one also mistake. This one got no square. Change in your book. This 1, 2, 3 you can copy. But actually, how to say? You copy these two is enough lah, or you copy these two, either two. Okay, it's because this and this the same. You see or not? It just add with the square root and then plus minus. Here become no square. Mean the square move to this side becomes square root. The rest is the same. Okay, so these two you choose either one to copy. Okay, then this one you must copy. Okay, this one is the, how do we say? This one is the we say the half angle formula. Okay, we go through this. Other formula involving double angles can be derived by induction. This is, we call that, by induction, then we come out with all this. Wait for a while. Mosquito. Mosquito. Nào nó cứ giao cầu lại. Cái nào giao cầu lại, mình sẽ sang khơ. Wait, got mosquito. Okay, continue. For example, if cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. This is the double angle formula, one of the double angle formula for cos 2a. Okay, so how they want to show you, they give you one example only now. Okay, how to change this one by induction. Okay, change this one become the half angle formula. Oh, this is not half, this is even double of it. Okay, so from this one, if this one you know, you must be able to know this one and also the others. Okay, what's the meaning the others? Okay, you see 2a. Okay, you see a lah. Now the a become 2a. So you see the a here become 2a. Then times with the 2 here. So it's 2 times 2a. So become 4a. This is the meaning. Okay, if you understand already, my question is, what is this? Line? Long time I didn't ask your question already. I ask questions so that you don't fall to sleep. Oh, so nice. Okay, today Farah not here, Kritika not here. Supeng line, first one. What is cos 8a? Supeng, you want on mic or you want to type? Another way of seeing it, yeah?
Is it 4 cos 2a? 4 times.
Okay.
Cos. 4 times cos 2a.
4 times cos 2a? No?
No.
No. Open. Anyone want to try? Means you all don't understand. Anyone want to try? Before I use another method to teach.
Teacher, is it 2 cos square 2a minus 2 cos square 3a minus 1?
3a minus 1 No. but very near. Come on, anyone. Don't let Suping answer. You will get the 1 mark. Come on. Suping, you still can try. It's very close already. By induction, you see the pattern.
2 cos square 4a minus 1.
4a minus 1, correct. Who is that?
Vanessa?
Vanessa? Vanessa,
Yes.
is it? Okay, Ravanya
Yes.
also correct. Okay, Sirani also correct. You're very good. Okay, wait. I have to find name and give you mark. After that, Vanessa. Rania. And who? Ravania, is it? Or Rosanna? Who? Ravania. Okay, very good. We come back here. Suping, you see, another method is, you see here 2a, half of it, a. You see here 4a, half of it, 2a. You see here 8a, half of it, 4a. Okay, Suping? I give you another chance. Line.
2 cos square 3a minus 1.
Okay. Can Now, more difficult one. Who is the lucky one, the next girl? Lydia.
2 cos square
Don't tell me 2.5. Fraction.
5/2a minus 1.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so now you see whatever style they have, you also got no problem, okay, to use your double angle formula to help you. Wait, I have to give mark. Okay, so this is the meaning of by induction. So others double angle formula altogether you have 5. Okay, all these 5 formula you can use this method, by inductions to have all sort of formula that you want. Okay, by using the similar method, is found that cos A, you see, just now I say half of this. So half A. Okay, so if cos A, it will become 2 cos square A over 2 minus 1. Just now I say already, cut this into half. Okay, then it's this. Cut this into half, then it's this. Cut this into half, then it's this. Cut this into half, then it's this. Then cut this into half, then it's this. Okay, this is how you get this one. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 is from the double angle formula. Okay, by using the inductions method, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5. This one we call it half angle formula. Okay, half angle formula. Okay, then from this half angle formula, okay, they have this. I think I don't want to prove to you, okay, this one I don't know whether we use it or not but it look like seldom but how you want to memorize it This one is related to cos A and the sin A over 2. Cos A and the sin A over 2. Okay, I can tell you it come from where. You just pindah. Okay, this one is come from here. This formula. This one is cos A and then cos A over 2. Okay, this one is come from here. Okay, and then pindah, you will get this. Okay, this one a little bit difficult. This one, you have to use okay, this one I will write the method for you lah, in case. Okay, because I don't know how you want to memorize all this. And I don't know whether you will use it or not lah. Then in case they ask you to prove this, so no, at least you know. Okay, so for proof this, we start from the right hand side. Okay, we start from the right hand side. Okay, so right hand side, we have a sine A. Okay, and then we have 1 plus cos A. Okay, sine A. Okay, because the left hand side is A over 2. So I have to use this formula, the sine A formula for the A over 2. Okay, I use this formula. Sine A formula change into a A over 2 formula. Okay, so it's 2 sine A over 2 cos A over 2. This one you want to copy, can? Okay, then 1 plus. Okay, 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A. I try to find here. 1 plus cos A. This one, okay, I try to use this. I write here, cos A is equal to 2. Okay, then this one come to here is become 1 plus cos A. So it's 2. Okay, so I write here 2 cos square A over 2. Okay, so this one cut, this one and this one can cut one of it. Okay, so balance A over sine A over 2 cos A over 2. Sine over cos is tangent A over 2. Okay, so this is equal to the left hand side. Okay, this is how you prove it. Yeah. Okay, we have done with this all the formula. They ask you to prove, okay, you can do like just now, what I teach you to do. Okay, now we see how we make use of all this half angle formula, okay, to solve the trigo problem. Okay, example 26 is proof. This question is quite similar to this one, what I did just now. Okay, so you see, sine, it start from this side, more complicated, the right hand side. Okay, so sine x is 2 sine x over 2 cos x over 2. Okay, same like mine just now. Okay, then 1 minus cos, just now is 1 plus cos. So 1 minus cos, you want to use this way, can? You don't want to use this way like me just now. 1 minus cos, I choose a suitable one. Cos, 1 minus cos is this. Okay, I'm going to use this cos A. 1 minus 2 sine square A over 2. Okay, because 1 minus cos, the one I stay here. Okay, the cos come this side become minus. Okay, this one go this side become positive, so become 2. Okay, positive 2 sine square A over 2. Okay, you want to use this method also can. Straight away, the cos A, you replace with this. Okay, but put bracket because of the negative, then open the bracket. Okay, you will get the same thing. Okay, so you see 1 minus cos x is this. You see, 1 minus cos A is this. Okay, so there are two ways of doing. Okay, so when you come to here, this one cut with one of this. So sine x over 2 cos x over 2 is tangent. Okay, so done for the proof. Okay, so you can do this. Holiday, huh? Holiday, huh? Can you do this? Okay. So remember just now you got one thing to one more questions from previous exercise and then one small questions here I want you to do. Where? This one. This one. Okay, the B here I want you to do. Okay, remember this one you do. Okay, this one maybe I help you a little bit, so you know you can answer my question, you can get mark also. Yeah. Okay, let us start. Same thing, you have an x and a y here. Okay, x is in between 0 to pi. Pi is 180 degree. Okay, means this x can be in the first or the second quadrant. Okay, cos x is negative. My question is, x is in first or x is in the second quadrant? Who is the next girl? Shahira. X is in the first or X is in the second quadrant? Shahira.
It's the negative part.
Cos X is negative. So my question is
Second
X,
quadrant.
okay, second quadrant. So second quadrant. Okay. So is second quadrant, okay, what is positive? Shahira, continue.
Sign positive.
Huh? What is positive in second quadrant?
Sign.
Okay, sign is positive. So remember, after that, when you list out, sign X is positive. Cos X sudah ada, negative 5/13. Tangent X is negative. Okay, so only sign is positive. Okay, next for Y. Okay, Y is this. Pi over 2 is 180 divided by 2. This is 90 degree. This is what? 270. Okay, 270 degree. Right? Okay, so 90 is here, 270 is here. So it's from here to here. So it's either second or the third quadrant. Okay, sign Y is negative. My question now, Y is in second or in third quadrant? Next go. Region.
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant, okay? Third quadrant, because here sign is positive, second quadrant. So sign is negative, therefore this Y is in the third quadrant. Okay, region continue. May I know in the third quadrant, which one is positive?
Tangent.
Tangent. So tangent is positive. The rest is negative. Okay, so even here sine Y is negative 3/5. Okay, so this one you have to find by yourself. Okay, not find by yourself lah, I'll help you now. Like, you answer my questions. What is this? Okay, so 3/13. Okay, next go. Please answer my questions. Cos, okay, 5/13. Cos is what? What over what? Who is this? Rosaina. Cos is what over what? You want to type, then you no need to type the whole thing, never mind. You can type, the first alphabet only. Then I understand. But put in capital letter. A only. What over what? This is X. Okay. A over H. Thank you. Okay, Rosanna, continue. Look at this. The one I point. Okay. This one is what side? A, O, or H? O. How about this? A or H? H. Okay, so the balance here will be A. Okay, so may I know where should I fill out for the 5? At O, A, H. Where? Rosanna still? Where should I fill out for the 5? A. Okay. Where should I fill out for the 13? H. Q. May I know what is the length? Okay, how long? Okay, for the O. Just tell me the answer. If you don't memorize by the triple, then you got to use the Pythagoras theorem to get the answer. May I know the length for the O? Still, Rosanna? Thank you. Okay. Wow, Rosanna answered so many questions. You will say unfair, teacher. Okay, next is Sarah. Okay, Sarah, continue. Can you tell me what is the sine x? Type sine x is what? Tangent x is what? Remember the sign, positive or negative. Okay, careful with the sign. Okay, sine x is 12 over 13. Okay, so O over H, 12 over 13, correct. Okay, tangent x is negative. Okay, 12 over 5. Okay, O over A, 12 over 5. Okay, correct. Okay, next we go to the y. Okay, I have drawn it here already, y. Okay, I label siap-siap for you. This is opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. Okay, next go. Shirlene. Shirlene, can you please tell me sine is what over what? Okay, O over H, so, okay. So can you please tell me, okay, where do I fill for 3? At the H, O, or the A? Where do I fill for the 3? Why become A? Why become A? You see? Again, where do I fill? Okay. Here I fill out for the 3. Where do I fill for the 5? H or A? Okay, H. Okay, H is 5. Okay, Shalene, I want you to continue. Okay, so can you please do for me cos y? Remember with the negative. Tangent y, remember with the positive. Type cos y is what? Tangent y is what? Okay, she said that cos y is negative 3 over 5. I think so, because she didn't type cos y. Okay, let me see. This is car A over H. A is, okay, A, I didn't ask you to find. Wrong already, lor. 3 over 5. This is sine, You didn't find this one. Okay, find this one first. Sorry, I didn't ask you to find. Can you find for me A? The length of the A. The length of the adjacent. This is wrong, First of all, you have to find the length of adjacent. Sorry, I didn't ask you to find just now. Okay, can you find the length of the A? You all memorize lah, the triple, so that easier and faster. Okay, 4, because 3, 4, 5, okay? Now, try again for cos y. Right, cos y, Okay, another girl do tangent y lah. I think she's tired already. Shuda here or not? Shuda do for her, tangent y. Okay, cos y is a negative 4 over 5. Okay, because car A over H. A is 4. Okay, H is 5. Okay, correct. Shuda, you do tangent y. Remember, this is positive. Okay, she say Shuda say that is 3 over 5. 2 O over A. So it's a 3 over this is 3. A leh, hello. Shuda. O over A. 2 3 over what? 3 over 4. Okay, not 3 over 5. Okay, now, Shuda, you continue because just now you didn't get correct. Okay, I want you to write for the A by using addition formula. Okay, type for me. What is sine A plus Y? By using addition formula. What is sine X plus Y? Okay, while waiting, I call another 2 more girls. Okay, who is this? Serving done. Okay, Siti Farah, you do for B. Siti Farah, you do for B. Okay, and then Sophia. Sophia, you do for C. Sophia, you got to make this one become a reciprocal first. Tangent x plus y. Okay, when you put in the tangent x plus y already, you have to turn it upside down. Okay, that is your cotangent. Okay, type in the chat. If cannot, then just say cannot. Then I ask another girl to do. Is Siti Farah here? Is Sophia here? Is Siti Farah here? No, I don't want this, Shuda. I want the formula only. That one is wrong, huh? What you write is wrong, huh? You have to write out that formula by using the addition formula. Shuda, if cannot, then you let me know. You cannot, then I let another girl to try. Siti Farah can do or not? Ayo, not like that lah. Sophia, wrong. Where got so easy one? You don't understand what is the meaning of double, not double, the addition formula, huh? This one. The 16, 17, and 18. This one is addition formula. This one. So where got tangent x plus tangent y? Where got? We already said that one is wrong. Tangent x plus y is never be the tangent x plus tangent y. Wrong. Early in the start topic, we already said that one is wrong. Okay, Siti Farah. Okay, for the B, she do for the B, cos x minus y. Okay, let me see the formula. Cos x minus y, minus, you use the one bottom, so plus. So cos plus sine. Okay, so cos, the sign is wrong, Siti Farah. Okay, for minus, you look at the sign at the bottom, should be plus. Okay, the rest is correct. Okay, so this one is equal to cos x. Don't write A and B, here is x and y, cos y plus sine x sine y. Teacher is for C number 18 formula. For C number 18. Yes, correct. You do for tangent x plus y. After that, turn upside down will be the cotangent x plus y. Shruda, are you doing? Okay, it's come already. Very good. Okay, so x plus y, sine x plus y. I call out the formula again. Okay, so it's sine x cos y. Very good. Plus cos x sine y. Oh, very difficult. Okay, so you just have to match your A with the x, B with the y. Okay, here you remember sine x, then here is sine y. Cos x, then cos y. Each of this will not repeat. Okay, so the plus then is plus. Yeah. So I write sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Okay. So Sudha, I can give you 1 mark. But Siti Farah not yet. Okay, Sophia is trying. Sophia, on to 12:30 already, very hungry. Anyone want to help her cut her queue? Come on, don't feel sad, Sophia. Xingzi, don't write A and B. This is X and Y. Come on. You miss out something? You miss out a sign. Okay, Sonia 3. Sonia 3, the sign is wrong because it's plus. So plus, you got to choose the one on the top. So here is plus, here is minus. And then you have to make it upside down because this is cotangent. Okay, Sophia, 1 minus. Okay, Sophia, correct. Okay, don't send anymore. Okay, Sophia get the mark. Oh, okay, so you see, at first, tangent x plus y is, follow the formula. Okay, plus, so it's tangent x plus tangent y, 1 minus tangent x tangent y. Then, cotangent, reciprocal, okay, turn upside down. So 1 minus tangent x tangent y over tangent x plus tangent y. Jingzi, just now you missed this plus. Am I right? Correct, Okay. So the mark will go to Sophia. Congratulations. Okay, wait for a while. I take attendance. Oh, very hungry. Holiday already leh.